Are you dreaming of sunny beaches, cheap street food, and ancient temples where your money goes super far? What if I told you thousands of people are packing up from their home countries in 2025 to start fresh in magical Cambodia? In this video, we'll rank the top 10 countries sending the most expats there, counting down from number 10 to the big number 1. You'll discover why folks are ditching high rents and stress for Cambodia's easy vibes, low costs, and friendly smiles. Hit that like button if you're ready for adventure. Subscribe for more relocation tips. Watch till the end for bonus secrets, and drop your dream move in the comments. Let's dive in. Your new life awaits. Number 10. South Korea, where speedy K-pop fans and tech whizzes are eyeing Cambodia's chill escape. Life in Seoul means packed subways, sky-high apartments costing over $1,500 a month, and workdays that never end, up to 52 hours a week. But Cambodia? It's a breath of fresh air with rents under $300 and beaches just a tuk-tuk ride away. Korean expats love trading buttoned-up offices for Phnom Penh's buzzing cafes, where you sip iced coffee for pennies while planning your next temple hike. Plus, Cambodia's booming tech scene needs coders, and visas are a snap, just $35 for a year-long stay. Families adore the safe streets and top international schools, mixing Khmer culture with Korean flair. Imagine weekends exploring Angkor Wat instead of cramming for exams. It's not the top spot because language jumps can feel tricky at first, but once you're in, the warm welcomes and spicy sumlor meals hook you fast. South Koreans are relocating in droves for that perfect work-life flip. Who wouldn't swap neon lights for golden sunsets? If you're burnt out on hustle, Cambodia calls your name loud and clear. Stick around for number 9. It's even juicier. Number 9. Japan. Japan's island warriors are sailing to Cambodia for space to breathe and budgets that stretch like ramen noodles. Tokyo's tiny apartments gobble $1,200 monthly, earthquakes rattle nerves, and 60-hour work weeks leave zero time for cherry blossoms. Enter Cambodia, vast rice fields, $200 cozy homes, and days ending with sunset riverside beers for $1. Japanese expats flock to Siem Reap, blending samurai discipline with lazy bike rides past misty pagodas. They adore the food fusion. Think sushi rolls with fresh mango, and Cambodia's easy e-visa lets you settle in weeks, no red tape drama. Retirees escape Japan's gray winters for tropical swims, while young pros launch ecotour businesses amid booming tourism. Healthcare, affordable clinics with English docs beat Japan's wait times. Sure, traffic's wilder than Tokyo's trains, but that's the thrill. Honking tuk-tuks beat salaryman suits any day. With over 5,000 Japanese already there, communities thrive with onsen-style spas popping up. It's a solid rank because cultural shocks like spicy curries hit hard. But the payoff? Deeper friendships and adventure that Tokyo can't touch. Japan's movers are choosing joy over jam-packed lives. Next up, number 8 brings European flair. Number 8, Germany, where beer lovers and engineers are trading orderly autobahns for Cambodia's chaotic charm. Berlin rents soar to $1,400, winters bite like sauerkraut, and bureaucracy buries dreams in paperwork piles. Cambodia flips the script. $250 villas with pools, eternal sunshine, and visas extended yearly for pocket change. Germans adore Kampot's pepper farms, swapping Oktoberfest for riverside barbecue under starry skies. They build sustainable homes drawn by Cambodia's green growth. Think solar-powered cafes needing their tech smarts. Families love the low-stress schools where kids learn Khmer dances alongside math. Food? Fresh markets beat supermarkets, with $2 pho rivaling currywurst. Healthcare's cheap too, quality checkups for $20. It's not higher because monsoon rains surprise snow haters, but expat groups in Phnom Penh make settling seamless. Over 3,000 Germans call Cambodia home now, launching bike tours and yoga retreats. Ditch the gray skies for golden temples. It's freedom in flip-flops. Germans are relocating for that rare mix of efficiency and ease. Number 7, France, where croissant kings and artists are fleeing Paris prices for Cambodia's poetic paradise. Eiffel Tower views cost $1,800 monthly, strikes halt trains, and taxes nibble half your baguette. Cambodia, $300 artist, lofts in Battambang, endless croissants at French Khmer bakeries, and a year visa for $300. French expats paint sunsets over Angkor, blending baguettes with loch-lac stir-fries in lively markets. They thrive in Sihanoukville's beaches, starting wine bars where rosé meets rice wine. Retirees escape chilly Alps for hammock siestas, while pros consult on heritage sites. Cambodia's history rivals, Versailles. Kids in bilingual schools giggle through crate-making classes. The vibe? Effortless romance, minus the crowds. Sure, humidity frizzes perfect hair, but ocean breezes fix that quick. With 4,000 plus French already rooted, communities buzz with film fests and pétanque games. It's mid-pack because jet lag hits hard, but the cultural mashup? Pure magic. France's bold movers chase sun-kissed simplicity. Your heart will follow. Number 6, Canada. Number 6 hails from Canada, where maple syrup sweethearts dodge snowdrifts for Cambodia's steamy hugs. Toronto homes hit $2,000, blizzards bury cars, and healthcare queues stretch like hockey rinks. Cambodia counters with $400 sunny condos. Visa runs as easy as Tim Hortons coffee, and beaches beating Banff's chill. Canadians love Siem Reap's eco-lodges, trading poutine for a mockfish in treehouse diners. They volunteer at orphanages, drawn by Cambodia's resilient spirit, perfect for their kind hearts. Pros snag remote gigs in booming tourism, earning big while living small. Families rave about affordable international schools with hockey clubs and Khmer crafts. Winters? Swap igloos for island hops. Food fusion delights. Think butter tarts with tropical fruit. It's not top tier because bugs buzz louder than moose, but bug spray's cheap. Over 2,500 Canadians thrive in Phnom Penh meetups. Ditch the frost for fiery festivals. It's heartfelt adventure. Canada's crew relocates for warmth that thaws the soul. Stay tuned for number 5, Down Under delivers. Number 5, Australia. Australia's surf stars are paddling to Cambodia for waves without the wallet wipeout. Sydney pads cost $2,200, spiders lurk in every corner, and droughts dry up dreams. Cambodia? $350 beach bungalows in Kep, endless surf spots, and visas like a quick Barbie. Aussies dig Sihanoukville's dive shops, blending Vegemite toast with grilled squid at dawn markets. They launch adventure tours, fueled by Cambodia's wild rivers. Think kayaking past elephants. Retirees flee bushfires for palm-shaded golf, while young bloods teach English in lively classrooms. Healthcare? World-class for $50 visits. Families bond over temple treks, safer than outback drives. The energy? Electric, with full moon parties rivaling Bondi beats. Humidity's a sweatfest, but ocean dips cool you fast. With 3,000 Aussies anchored, bar crawls mix Tim Tams and tequila. Mid-rank because Crocs feel cuter here, but the thrill? Unmatched. Australia's bold waves crash into Cambodia's calm, pure rush. Number 4's a neighborly nod. Number 4, United Kingdom. Number 4 crowns the United Kingdom, where tea timers escape rainy isles for Cambodia's golden glow. London flats devour $2,500. Brexit blues linger, and pub pints cost a fortune. Cambodia? $400 heritage homes in Siem Reap, easy business visas, and afternoons sipping Earl Grey by lotus ponds. Brits adore Battambang's colonial vibes, swapping fish and chips for fiery basil stir-fries in lantern-lit alleys. They brew craft ales, tapping Cambodia's tourism boom. Pubs pop like mushrooms after rain. Retirees ditch damp winters for spa retreats. Pros consult on silk trades. Kids in English Khmer schools conquer cricket on temple grounds. The charm? Cozy chaos minus the queues. Foggy mornings? Nah, misty rice paddies. It's solid because accents confuse tuk-tuk drivers, but laughs bridge gaps. Over 6,000 Brits banter in Phnom Penh clubs. Trade grey for green, its cheeky reinvention. UK's witty wanderers flock for flavor-packed freedom. Number 3's a star-spangled surprise. Number 3, Vietnam, where faux pros hop borders for Cambodia's sweeter sip. Hanoi's hustle packs $800 rooms, floods flood streets, and traffic tangles like noodles. Cambodia? $250 riverside nooks in Kampot, seamless visas for neighbors, and pepper plantations beating rice paddies. Vietnamese expats blend banh mi stalls with amok curries, thriving in cross-border trade. Markets buzz like old Saigon. They farm eco-coffee, drawn by Cambodia's growth spurt. Families love bilingual havens, safer than motorbike mazes. Retirees relax in hammocks. Young hustlers launch street food empires. Sunsets over Tonle Sap rival Ha Long Bay. Spice levels? Tamer, but chili jars fix that. Proximity ranks it high, quick flights home. Bugs cross borders too, but nets are cheap. Thousands of Vietnamese weave into Phnom Penh's fabric, sharing songs at water festivals. Ditch the din for dreamy drifts. It's sibling synergy. Vietnam's vibrant vibe merges seamlessly. Silver awaits at number 2. Number 2, China, where dragon chasers leap to Cambodia's phoenix rise. Beijing's smog-choked skies and $1,000 hutongs push limits. Great Wall crowds crush spirits. Cambodia, $300 pagoda view pads, investor visas in days, and Silk Roads reborn in modern malls. Chinese expats flood Sihanoukville, building resorts where dim sum meets Lok Lak in neon night markets. They dominate casinos and factories, Cambodia's economy soaring like the Yangtze. Pros network in Mandarin hubs, families enroll in dual-language academies with panda playdates, beaches beat Yangtze cruises, healthcare's swift sands queues. The Pulse, electric fusion, 24/7. Pollution, crystal rivers here. It's runner-up because red tape lingers but WAN flows free. Tens of thousands invest dreams, from tea houses to tech parks. Swap firewalls for open skies, it's bold rebirth. China's mighty migration powers Cambodia's glow. Now, the gold at number 1. Number 1, United States, where freedom eagles soar to Cambodia's hidden heavens. New York's $3,500 shoeboxes and healthcare bills bury dreams. Traffic jams rival rat races. Cambodia, $400 paradise pools in Phnom Penh. Ordinary visas on arrival for $30 and dollar economy. No exchange woes. Americans lead the pack, over 20,000 strong, chasing $1,000 lifestyles on $4,000 salaries. They teach at buzzing schools, launch NGOs amid Angkor's whispers, or retire beachside with craft brews. Families dig international academies, safer than suburbs. Food, burgers fuse with basil beef at rooftop raves. Winters, eternal summer swims. The Hook, vast community, barbecues beat block parties. Sure, jet lag's a beast, but direct flights zip you back. Number 1, because endless opportunity meets endless affordability. Expats rave about doubled savings and tripled smiles. Ditch the drive-through for temple sunrises. It's the ultimate upgrade. USA's trailblazers redefine bold. Cambodia's their crown jewel. Wow, what a countdown. From Seoul's speed to America's dreams, Cambodia's calling expats home in 2025. Thanks for joining the adventure. Your likes fuel more maps to magic. Subscribe for Relocation Gold, comment your top pick below, and share with a friend plotting their escape. See you next time. Safe travels.